Did Mansory just ruin this Ferrari 812 GTS? I'm gonna let you guys be the judge on this one. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the drop top Ferrari 812 GTS is a mind-bending car with absurd performance and striking looks you'd expect from a V12 powered Ferrari. However, this particular 812 GTS is very different from all others, as it has been heavily modified by Mansory and tuned into a Stallone Tempesta Nera Verda. Now, the tuner released a Stallone upgrade package for the 812 GTS a couple of years ago, and this example is easily the most striking and over-the-top one it has created. Now, first, let's talk about this paint. Mansory has gone to town on the exterior of this car, painting one half of it in matte black while the other half is finished in turquoise. However, Mansory didn't simply paint the driver's side in matte black and the passenger's side in black turquoise. Instead, the front of the driver's side is in matte black and the rear half is in turquoise. Meanwhile, the front half of the passenger side is in turquoise, while the rear is in matte black, making the paint scheme stand out even more than its Italian flag racing stripe running over the top of the Ferrari. Now, Mansory's Stallone upgrade package also includes a range of striking aero parts and add-ons. These start at the front end with new splitters made from forged carbon fiber and also include new side skirts, wing mirrors, and a towering rear wing that mimics the split paint scheme of the rest of the body. Now, Mansory has also fitted a forged carbon fiber diffuser and bolted on a set of new wheels. And the cabin also overhauled, now adoring almost every single interior surface in turquoise leather with contrasted red, white, and green stitching. Now, the only parts not wrapped in turquoise leather are the numerous carbon fiber elements found on the steering wheel, the paddle shifters, the air vents, and the center console. And as with all the other Stallone models, well, the car's 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 has also been tuned, and this now delivers 830 horsepower and 546 pound-feet, 740 newton meters of torque. So with that said, it's still a powerful V12 Ferrari, but what do you guys think about this livery, this spec, this paint scheme, and would you be caught driving this car? Is it hot or is it ruined? Drop those comments down below. I gotta hear your thoughts on this one. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon. Also, you guys can subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. Check out the Ron's Rides merch. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.